Hello friends, I'm Komal Yadav and today I am going to tell you about the cancer drug. So, firstly we know what is meant by the cancer. Cancer it is a disease characterized by the uncontrolled growth of the cell in the body. Two type of tumor, that is benign tumor and the malignant tumor. Now we discuss the general principle of the cancer therapies. Cell of the solid tumor can be divided into the three categories. That is the component A, it contains the continuous dividing cell. Component B, it contains the resting cell in Z0 phase and have ability to enter into the cell cycle. And the component C, it contains the cell having the no ability to divide. Now the next point of the discussion, that is the pathogenesis of the cancer. Cancer cell having the four distinguishable characteristics. First one, that is uncontrolled proliferation. Second is the differentiation and the loss of function. Third one, that is invasiveness. And the fourth, that is metastasis. Now we discuss the drug used in the anti-cancer therapy. That is the chemotherapy. First one is the cytotoxic drug. It contains the alkylating agent, antimetabolite, antimitotic, cytotoxic antibiotics, plant derivatives. Second one is the hormones. And the third one, that is miscellaneous agent. Now we discuss the alkylating agent. Nitrogen is at the 7th position of the guanine is the strongly nucleophilic and the main target for the alkylating agent. N1 and N3 of the adenine and the N3 of the cytosine can be affected. Most of these functions are the biofunctionals. They have the two alkylating groups. They cannot only interfere with the transcription but also in the replication. Types of the alkylating agent. First one, that is nitrogen mustard. It contains cyclophosphamide, ifosfamide, chlorambucil, melphalan, mechloroethamine and the glufosamine. Second one, that is nitrosurea. It contains the lomustine, carmustine and the streptozocin. Agent with the triazine group. It contains dacarbazine, procarbazine and the temozolomide. Fourth one, that is ethanolamide. It contains the thiotefa. Fifth one, that is agent with the sulfate group. It contains the busulfan. Then the last, that is platin compound. It contains cisplatin, carboplatin. Now we discuss the hormones. Glucocorticoid. It inhibits the phosphorylation. Then second one, that is the estrogen. It blocks the effect of androgen-dependent prostate cancer. Then third one, that is the progesterone. It is used in the endometrial neoplasm. Now we discuss the antimetabolites. Antimetabolites type of drug are act in the S phase of the cell. It contains the folic acid analogues, for example methotrexate. Then the pure. Now we discuss about the methotrexate. It inhibits the dihydrofolate reductase enzyme, which is required for the formation of the thalidomide and the DNA formation. Now we discuss the anti-tumor antibodies. First one, that is the anthracycline antibodies. Second one, that is metoxantrone. Third one, that is mitomycin C. Fourth one, that is bleomycin. And the last one, that is actinomycin D. Most important mechanism action, that is the free radical formation. Side effect, that is the cardiotoxicity. Cardiomyopathy, that is occur due to the 2 or 3 months. Bone marrow suppression. Now we discuss the antimitotic. It contains the vinca alkaloid, taxanes. Vinca alkaloid, it contains the vincristine, vinblastine. Mode of action, that is the spindle formation inhibition. Side effect, that is the bone marrow suppression, and the peripheral neuropathy. Cisplatin. Mode of action. It has the platinum atom surrounded by the chlorine ion. When it enters into the cell, chlorine ion dissociates. Side effects: nephrotoxicity, severe nausea and vomiting, tetanus and the hearing loss,